This is my quick review of this General Electric Universal Remote Control. This is a very special remote control since it's quite different comparing to the original one that came with my LG TV. As you see here, many different features are missing. So you won't have a play pause button, you won't have any shortcut buttons to your favorite apps, and you won't have many other specific buttons that you were using or not on your past remote control. I think this one is mostly advertised towards senior citizens or people that have troubles seeing clearly. Since the buttons are enlarged, over here you see the volume and the channel button are quite big. Actually, they're 3 times as big as normal buttons here, you see? And they're easy to press as well. Every other buttons are also oversized and simplified. You only have the basic features. You can pair it with a TV and another device that can be a cable box, a sound bar, a home theater amplifier, and a DVD player, a Blu-ray player, and many others. Pairing this remote control is relatively easy. There's 2 ways: an automatic way where the remote control will search for the code, and there's also a manual way like any universal remote control. Well, you need to enter a code over here. It does not have any backlight, but I don't think it's a problem because even in the dark, it's hard to miss a button. Overall, I recommend this remote control if you're looking for a very simple universal remote control and you don't use the smart features of your TV. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. By doing so, you also support my channel since I get a very small commission every time somebody buys something from there. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.